Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and join class for Google Classroom app. So in order to do that, you'll need to open your Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now write Google Classroom and select install. When it's done, we can open it, get started, and from here you'll need to select the account you want to sign for this classroom. So I'm gonna press OK, and then press on this plus button, join class, and here you will need to enter your class code, which you should be provided with. After you've entered the class code, press join and you'll be able to join the class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.